Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adib Hassan from Standard 5B1. For this year's science fair, my project is a periscope. A periscope is an instrument that is used to see something which is prevented by the direct line of sight. The simplest type of periscope consists of a tube at the ends of which are two mirrors, parallel to each other but at 45 degrees to the axis of the tube. The main objective of this experiment is to learn how to prepare a periscope and describes how light rays can change directions. It is used on submarines, military purposes, etc. Things I needed to make this periscope: cardboard, two mirrors, cutter, and the hot melt glue gun. And that's all. Hope you like it. Now for an example, I am putting a Rubik's Cube on this side, and on the other side we can see its image. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdullah Ali Imran. I am from Standard 5 Boys 2, Everest International School. Today I am here to present. Today I am here to present my science project. My science project is about a balloon project. At first we need some balloons and we have to blow it up. You can see I have blown up 3 balloons, and now we need a stick, and we need to push the stick from the middle. You can see it have popped. And now let's try again. Again we need to push the stick from the middle. You see it popped. Now let's come to my main project. Before you saw that I have pushed the stick from the middle, so this time we will push the stick from the upper side. So let's do it. You see it works. You see the stick goes inside. You saw that the balloon, this time the balloon did not pop because this part is thinner than the upper side, and the upper side is heavier. You can see this is not a blown balloon. So you can see that this balloon is fully heavier, and but if we blow the balloon up, it will this middle part will become this middle part become thinner, and this part will become heavier. So if we push the stick from the upper side, from the heavier side, it will pop. But if we push the stick from the middle side, it will pop. That's all was my project. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Kazi Irfan Ikram. I am from grade 5. Today I am going to show you how to blow up a balloon with vinegar and baking soda. For this experiment we need an empty bottle, a vinegar, a measuring cup, a tablespoon, a small funnel, baking soda, and a balloon. Firstly we have to pour the vinegar into the measuring cup to measure the vinegar. Then we have to pour the vinegar into the bottle with the help of the funnel. Now we have to give 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the balloon with the help of funnel. First we have to fix the balloon to the funnel. Then we have to give the baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the funnel. That's 1. And that's 2. Now it's okay. Now we have to remove the balloon from the funnel and fix to the empty bottle. And hold it up so that the soda can fall into the vinegar. Now you can see it has blowed. This experiment demonstrates how states of matter can change mixing a solid with a liquid to create gas. The science behind the balloon, baking soda and vinegar is the chemical reaction between the base, which is the baking soda, and the acid, which is the vinegar. And when the 2 ingredients mix together, the balloon baking soda experiment gets its lift. The gas produced from the 2 ingredients is carbon dioxide. That's all for my experiment. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Toha. I read in class 5, section B1. My project name is Water Dispenser Machine. This machine is used as drinking water and can be used without electricity power. And now I will tell you how it works. This machine works with the help of the air. When we open the cap of the bottle, the air goes inside the bottle and pushes the water, and the water will come through the pipe. When we close the cap of the bottle, it will not pushes the water, so the water will not come through the pipe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I am MD Akib Jawad Khan from Standard 5, Avos International School. Today for my science project, I will show you how to make an lava lamp. To make this, I will need a whole empty jar, vegetable oil, food color, kalbosi, and water and a funnel. At first, I will pour a quarter half of water in the jar. Then I will take the funnel and pour the oil all the way to the up, and I will keep some space for the oil for the bubbles to fizz up. Then I will pour some Then I will pour some food coloring on a measuring cup and pour it in the jar. Then I will put a Calbosy tablet in the jar. The science behind this is when the bubbles pop enough, the water and the remaining gas becomes more dense than the oil. So the ball of water sinks down through the oil and joins with the rest of the water. Thus, the lava lamp is ready. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.